Good Friday afternoon, everyone. Sadly, it is my last Friday. Gotta go back to school here. Met the hour cap on my internship. So today is my last day with the Rocket Miner. But talk about that here later. Gonna get into it here. Free COVID-19 testing offered to students and staff. Sweetwater County, with most county schools set to open the week of August 17th, health officials are partnering to offer free COVID-19 services to students and staff in both Sweetwater County School District Number 1 and 2. Memorial Hospital, Sweetwater County, Castle Rock Medical Center, and Sweetwater County Public Health are working together to provide free drive-through testing for symptomatic staff and students using available CARES Act funding. The Memorial Hospital Sweetwater County swabbing station is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Castle Rock Medical Center has swabbing from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. No referral or appointment is needed. Infection with COVID-19 is extremely varied in symptoms and severity, according to the press release from the Community Nursing Service. Symptoms such as fever, sore throat, cough, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and headache can come from several different illnesses, including COVID-19. The only way to know whether or not the illness is COVID-19 is to be tested. So basically, they're going to test people. So there's that. Next thing, Green River woman found guilty of abusing her father. Thera Lena Seiler. I butchered that name, and sorry. 41 of Green River has been convicted of a felony charge of abuse of a vulnerable adult for an incident involving her father. Jury returned with a guilty verdict during a trial in Sweetwater County District Court on Monday and Tuesday. Seiler was not convicted of misdemeanor charge of domestic battery. She remains in custody in Sweetwater Detention Center awaiting her sentencing. The Green River Police Department responded to the report of domestic violence on September 14th of 2019 at the home of Clyde Seidler, where he lived with his daughter, Thera. I don't know. But, so they found guilty. Now they're just waiting sentencing. So, I'm sure we'll keep you guys updated on that. Actually, the last story I wrote, I'm going to cover today. It's basically how Wyoming is going to be fighting chronic wasting disease going forward. Talks about a lot of things in here. How they're looking at new things, new developments. How they've been surveillancing the spread of CWD, and their future research going forward. Starting to do research up around Casper, looking at mountain lions and how, if they're preying upon deer that are more that have chronic wasting disease compared to deer that don't have it, and they're looking at maybe doing that with some bigger prey and predators like elk and wolves and grizzly bears around Jackson. Don't know what they're going to do there, but talked about some possible management solutions, looking at maybe if hunter harvest can be a viable option, but they're going to hold public meetings to see if the public would allow that, if that's something they would be interested in doing and possibly participating in. But if you guys would like to read any of these stories, rocketminer.com and on the news tab. But since it's Friday, giving you a Friday weather update. Saturday and Sunday 0% chance of precipitation, both with a high of 89 degrees. Saturday got a wind out of the west at 15 miles an hour, and Sunday's got a wind out of 7 miles an hour out of the northwest. But like I said earlier at the beginning, today's my last day. I want to thank you guys, the community, for letting me ask you guys questions, report, do these videos, and I want to thank everybody at the Rocket Miner for helping me this summer and giving me the opportunity to succeed and learn some new skills that I can take forward going into the future. But got school coming up, so going to be moving back to Laramie here soon, and going going to be dealing with the weird reopening schedule they just passed. But thanks again, guys, and who knows, maybe I'll see you soon.